The new H-Series showcases NZXT's vision for modern PC building. The H700i, H400i, and H200i feature a unique cam-powered smart device digitally driving RGB lighting and fan performance. You can effortlessly control RGB lighting and fans via the cam dashboard, while adaptive noise reduction optimizes your build's acoustics through machine learning and ideal fan settings. It comes with Air F fans and integrated RGB LEDs to enhance the aesthetics of your build seen through the stunning tempered glass panel. The unique smart device includes features from our Hue Plus and Grid Plus V3 digital controllers, allowing for effortless control and RGB lighting and fans through CAM software. Customized lighting is streamlined with integrated and individually addressable RGB LED strips. Don't waste time checking compatibility, installing and manipulating physical buttons. Our out-of-the-box, elegantly controlled CAM software is all you need. The H-Series is available in 4 combinations to match your taste, and its elegant all-steel construction is shared across all sizes. The tempered glass panel and signature PSU shroud showcase beautiful builds. Cable management can often take more than assembly. We designed a new cable routing kit and pre-installed channels and straps on the back of the motherboard tray for intuitive and easy wiring. The H-Series layout ensures you enjoy building your PC as much as you enjoy gaming on it. We simplified water cooling installation with drop-in brackets and integrated reservoir mounting for custom loop systems. Air F fans are included for optimal internal airflow to preserve your system's clean looks. Front and PSU intakes are fully filtered. Storage installation is a snap, with quick-release 2.5-inch SSD trays on the PSU shroud. The H-Series cases comes with support for 2 additional 2.5-inch behind the motherboard tray, and mounting for traditional 3.5-inch drives. This storage layout optimizes airflow and interior space for a clean-looking build. Our unique adaptive noise reduction uses an onboard noise sensor to measure and learn the speeches of your system to find the ideal balance between fan speed and cooling. With up to a 40% reduction in fan noise level, you won't need to waste time designing custom fan curves. Leveraging machine learning to improve its results, this will ensure your fan settings are always optimal even if you change hardware. Please visit nzxt.com to learn more about the new H-Series.
The new V200 and JRGB series from Thermaltake is a new set of cases that includes the latest 12-volt RGB synchronization features. Each case comes pre-installed with 3 RGB fans and a built-in controller with motherboard sync capabilities. Out of the box, they can be customized via the onboard controller. For those who would prefer to sync your fans with 12-volt compatible motherboards, simply plug in the pin and use their software to achieve the look you want. Here are 2 ways to customize the 3 RGB fans. To manually cycle through the modes, simply press the corresponding button. To cycle through the modes with your motherboard software, attach the connector to the appropriate header. The V200 and J series also add modern touches such as a durable 4mm thick tempered glass panel and a PSU shroud for a cleaner look. Offering extra cooling expansion, these cases support fitments of up to 360mm radiators in the front, 280mm on the top, and a 120mm in the rear. For those who are looking for a drive bay on the front, the J22 has you covered. The V200 and J Series cases are available at most major online and retail stores. To learn more, check them out at our website at thermaltakeusa.com.